I am Trisha from class 10C. Today I am going to read an essay on the topic of thinking out of the box. Means creative thinking. In a small Italian town, hundreds of years ago, a small business owner owed a large sum of money to a loan shark. The loan shark was a very old, unattractive looking guy that just so happened to fancy the business owner's daughter. He decided to offer the businessman a deal that would completely wipe out the debt he owed him. However, the catch was that we would only wipe out of the debt if he could marry the businessman's daughter. To say this proposal was me with a look of disgust. The loan shark said that he would place two pebbles into a bag, one white and one black. The daughter would then have to reach into the bag and pick out a pebble. If it was black, the debt would be white, but the loan shark should then marry her. If it was white, the debt would also be white, but the daughter would not have to marry the loan shark. Standing on a pebble-strewn path in the businessman's garden, the loan shark bent over and picked up two pebbles. Picking them up, the daughter noticed that he had picked up two black pebbles and placed them into both the bag. He then asked the daughter to reach into the bag and picked one. The daughter naturally had three choices as to what she could have done. First, refuse to pick a pebble from the bag. Second, take both pebbles out of the bag and expose the loan shark for cheating. Third, pick a pebble from the bag fully well knowing it was black and sacrifice herself on her father's freedom. Out a pebble from the bag and before looking at it accidentally dropped it into the midst of the other pebble. She said to the loan shark, "Oh, how clumsy of me, never mind. If you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked." The pebble left in the bag is obviously black, and seeing as the loan shark didn't want to be exposed, he had to play along as if the pebble the daughter dropped was white and clear her father's debt. What's the moral of the story? The moral of the story is it's always possible to overcome a tough situation throughout the box thinking.